Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. My name is Aline and today's video is a little different but it's still right up my alley. Food, gatherings and good vibes. I'm hosting a small housewarming party, so I headed to Costco to grab everything I need to build a beautiful charcuterie board. So if you love food inspiration, easy hosting tips, and I peek into my everyday life in Canada, you're in the right place. So let's go shopping! Okay, so we are here at Costco and our goal today is to buy some things for a charcuterie board. We are receiving some friends at home for our housewarming party. Of course, I'm gonna bring some extra things home. It's so hard to come to Costco and just buy the thing that you put on your list. It's so hard. But I'll bring you with me so we can check out the news and buy our things for the charcuterie board. Okay, so I started here in an aisle that has things for home and I found this three-piece cut board. We use wood or bamboo material, but now we are trying to, it's been a while that we are thinking about changing to another material, and I found this. Looks good, $19. I'm bringing home. Next finding, we need more boxes like this to storage our stuff, and here it's $26.99, which comes with 3 pack, so I'm gonna bring home as well. This is super useful to organize your storage or clothes from a different season that you're not using at the moment, so I'm bringing this home. It's been a while now since Costco is selling alcoholic beverage, so here you can find a variety of packs. So I'm gonna choose one to bring home and probably a wine too. This is one of Guy's favorite drinks, the Cottage Springs. There's a mix of vodka with some fruits like this. It's a sparkling vodka beverage. So sometimes we grab this one, Cottage. Sometimes we buy this one, the White Claw. So we vary. There's this new brand now we never tried. They are almost the same price, $49.99, $49.99 and $49.99. Today I'm gonna try a different one, so I will buy this one from Muskoka. It's one of our favorite breweries here in the region, so they have this new pack and I'm gonna try that. Now we are talking about the charcuterie board. So I found these crackers here. We are gonna serve some jelly or I don't know, some spreads. So I'm gonna bring one of these, and it's, let me find the price, $10.99. I also bought 2 pieces of picanha. It's a Brazilian cut. Here it calls top sirloin cap whole. I was looking for the one that came cut already, but I couldn't find it, so I'm trying to buy this one for the first time, the entire piece. Also not for the charcuterie board, but we will have a holiday soon, so let's prepare for the holiday as well. Guy loves this sushi section here at Costco. I don't eat rice, so for me it's too bad that they don't have just the sashimi, but he loves this, so I'm gonna bring one bulk kit for him. It comes with 2 and it's $19.99. Now we are finally on the cheese section, so let me show you what I'm gonna bring. I found this goat cheese spread with 3 flavors. I think this will pair well with the crackers, and I love goat cheese, so I'm excited to try this one. I'm also bringing a boursin. I will use this as a spread as well, but I can also make some recipes with it. I saw some online and it was really good. $8.99 for 2. These mini bocconcini are also a good option for a charcuterie board. You can pair them with cherry tomatoes, put some oregano on top with olive oil. It's so good, so I'm thinking I'm gonna bring one of these too. and maybe a brie so I can cut and serve. So I think we are good with cheese. Maybe just buy a hard one and that's it. There are so many options to choose from. I love this brand. Today they just have the jalapeno one, but they have other flavors. The truffle one is delicious, amazing, but they don't have it today. Maybe this one I tried before. It's really, really good, and it's like a hard, strong cheese. And just found another one, so I'll bring this one too. Cheese is never enough, right? Another thing that we recommend is these avocados, ready to eat. They came in packages, so it's the right amount for one of two people, so I'm gonna buy this one. And for the party, I'm also buying this one. This is the bigger size, so it's good for more people, and it's a guacamole ready to eat. And this one is just the avocado, so this will be good as well. Now let's grab some meat and fruits for our charcuterie board. Starting with some cherries. Look how beautiful they look. It's $11.99 and it's from Canada. Also some seedless grapes, so they have two options, the green one and this red one. I think I'm gonna go with the green one today. There's two options here. This one is $12.99. The candy grapes are $14.99. They're more sweet, and the red one is $11.99. Now to the meat. There's so many options here. I like to buy this package here that it comes with a little bit of everything, and it's 2 packs for $19.99. So I tried this before and I like it. I also tried this before. If you like salamis, it has 3 options. I'm thinking about grabbing an extra prosciutto, but this comes with 2. I think it's too much, but we have other options here. Also comes with 2 and more salami here. I think I'm gonna bring this one and an extra prosciutto. I think this is the last thing that we're gonna buy. Some small tomatoes to pair with a small mozzarella, and it's so delicious. And we have pesto already at home, but we buy it here at Costco. So this is the one that we liked, and it's let me find the price. $13.99, and it's a big jar, 630 milliliters. He also asked me to bring a Coke Zero, so I'm gonna buy this huge pack here with 32 Cokes, and I think we are done. Some things here at Costco you need to buy as soon as you see it. You might not see ever again the product that you like and try. So I'm so happy that now I'm gonna buy another cracker, just because it's been a while that I don't see. I haven't seen this here. It's pita bites. It's so delicious, and it goes well with all the spreads that you imagine. Even with guacamole, with hummus, with everything. So it's garlic and chive. It's $8.49, and you can find here with the extra chips. Almost in the end of the hallway to the pharmacy. Now let's face this big line. Everyone had the same idea. I'm just kidding. Every day is like this. Unless you go in the end of the store hours, it will always be like this. Now Costco check. The total amount was $339. Reminding that we had 3 packs of beverage here below. And this was our Costco haul today. I hope you enjoyed the video and our recommendations helped you in any way. And if you liked our video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our future adventures. Ciao!